Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, February 15th, and the markets are closed. You know, this has been a tough week for us. I think we actually made money this week, but it has been frustrating because this market just cannot decide what it's going to do, and it goes back and forth, and we do not like a sideways market. Today it was again a sideways market. The market opened, I don't know, it opened basically neutral, and then it went negative. At one point it got all the way down. I think it was down over 50 points at one point, and then it comes back up and it closes positive 8 points on the day. But when we're trading our shorter term methods, you know, we have to have stops in these markets, and when we get the zigzag pattern, we tend to get stopped out and experience some losses. And today we had a total of 8 trades that we closed out, and 6 of them were losses. Now, the only thing that saves us, we got into one really good trade in STZ, that's Constellation Brands, and took almost over $7,000 in one single trade. I mean, it's a great trade, and everything else wiped that out, and we ended up still losing about $1,200 for the day. So that's really frustrating. You know, have a $7,000 winning trade and you still end up in the red for the day. That hurts. But this market won't go down because I think it really is a bull market. I think we're going to see much higher prices, but investors are just really skittish after the big run up in January, and that's about the best I can, the only way I can describe it. But anyway, it's okay. We're gonna have a good year this year. We're already having a good year this year, but I would like to see us get out of this churning mode, which is very tough to take. Anyway, let's take a look at the chart. Okay, here we're looking at the chart of the Dow Industrials. It just kind of mirrors some of the problems we've had with some of our individual markets today. It opened up pretty much neutral, and it made a little bit of positive, then pulled back, and tried to come back. Then it starts going into negative territory here, tries to rally, fails again, goes all the way down, and I think this was down around 50 points down here. I was actually, admit I wasn't really watching it, but it then rallies toward the end. You know, you can't keep a good market down, and rallies and ends up going positive 8 points. But as I say, in all this snaking around, we tend not to do very well in our individual markets. This kind of back and forth action can hurt us. I'll show you one market that was decent as far as the action today. It was in Westport Innovations, and let's see here, I'll get that up. Westport Innovations is WPRT, and here it is. And you can see now, you know, I wish I wish the Dow would have looked like this, but it didn't. We came in here, we bought this 30 minutes into the market day, and it never went negative on us. It just kept climbing, climbs up there, and closes with it's maybe $1,500 of open trade profit on that. So, you know, that that market looked good, but everything else looked pretty shabby. We're only holding 3 positions here, and looks like we have $2,100 in open trade. So, hey, listen, I'm glad it's Friday, and I'm going to relax this weekend, and I hope all of you have a good weekend too, and we'll see you on Monday. This is Trader Bob signing off.